have station 1. In station 1, you are going to pour the water. You're going to measure it first. These are all in milliliters, okay, ml. So you're going to measure the milliliters, then you're going to pour it in the flask, just to get some repetition of it. Once you finish with that, then you're going to pour it back into the beaker. Okay, that is station 1. Okay, station 2 is right next to it. Okay, on station 2, you're going to, again, measure the beaker. It is in milliliters. Then you're going to measure the temperature of the water. You'll measure it in Fahrenheit. Okay, station 3, you're going to measure the water of the flask. Okay, hopefully all of you guys remember when we talked about beakers, flasks, graduated cylinders, test tubes. Okay, that was in the very beginning. Station 4, you have magnets. Okay, you're going, in this bucket there are little metal fillings. You're going to connect them with your magnets. Then you're going to write down your observations. Okay, you can try it different ways. You can just do 1 magnet in there. You can do 2. See how it reacts, then write it down. Okay, station 5. Okay, you have iron fillings. Then you have the magnet. Okay, I want you to, there's going to be a little pile of the iron fillings right here. What you're going to do is, okay, you get it when it should be, all those iron fillings should be off of it. When your group comes up, you're going to touch it around, and it should form different varieties of sculpture things that does, okay? Once you finish with that, and you're going to write your observations as well, okay? You're going to write your observations from this. Then, once you finish writing your observations, you're going to take off the iron fillings and put them back on this paper, okay? Station 6. I will be over here doing this with you, okay? We have vinegar and baking soda. You're going to watch the reaction. Then, you're going to write down what you see. Okay, you're going to also write down if it's endothermic or exothermic. Do you guys remember what endothermic and exothermic are?
Yes.
Yep.
Okay.
It's release.
It release. Endothermic is release. Exit or release.
Endothermic is what?
No, X. The X one is release and after that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Absorb, yes. Okay, so I will also be here for station 7. On station 7, we will have chalk and vinegar. You're going to look at the reaction, write down what you see. Okay? Station 8, you're going to measure each of these graduated cylinders. Again, these are in milliliters. And station 9, you're just going to have graduated cylinder water. You're going to pour it in test tubes. Once you're done doing that, pour it back into the cylinder. It's very simple stuff. This one is just getting you in the repetition of being careful and pouring not only water, but if we had acids or bases, to get used to that. Okay, so does anybody have any questions so far?
No.
Okay.
No.
Out there, you have in groups?
No, ma'am.
So these 3, you guys are together? Okay. 3,
Yes. What about Dane? Where's Dane?
we're in groups of 3, okay? Zane, Lane, Diego. Tria, Brooklyn.
Bye, guys. I'm gonna miss you guys.
Okay.
You don't bring me no more gum.
Okay. Alex, and Luke. Tim, Ryan, and Jared. Okay, so listen up. These 3 go to station 1. I will tell you. Okay, excuse the desk back. Thank you. Okay, I will tell you which station to go to. Okay, Antonio, your group goes to station 2. Zane, your group, station 3.
We'll probably be here.
Station 4. Go to station 5. Okay, Luke, your guys' group, go to station 7. And your group, go to station 8.
Where's that?
Okay. Alright. So, it's going to be time. Okay, it's going to be time. And I will. Put your observations on the back of this page. Alright? Okay.
What a crazy reaction. What a crazy reaction.
At the bottom.
So make sure you guys put your reactions on the back of this page.
You said tight.
How long have you like
Yeah. Not that.
And you guys remember, when you measure the water to do the bottom of the meniscus, remember?
You said right over the yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Alright, has everyone put down their observations?
You were just playing the whole time. Why are you worried about what we're doing?
Okay, make sure if you pour it in the glass, pour it in, pour it away, put it back. Alright, we're going to switch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go.
So switch to your right.
Oh,
Okay, go to your right.
I got the back. You like Wix.
So,
No, we'll give you the magnet back. Stop doing it, damn it.
Okay, on top.
He's saying, we give him the magnet now. Put everything on this one.
No, it's like these.
It's over 300. Look at that. Shut up. I just say that. There goes 8. I'm glad. Okay, put it over 300. Say over 300.
I forgot there was water. Now we have a wet
alright, write down your observations.
our stardust Christmas.
Alright, 5,
Hold up.
4, 3,
Hold up.
2, 1, switch.
I like the baking soda.
Okay.
We go all the way over here. Is this one stairs?
Sir, you need blood. There's acid on it.
Do any of you have any questions so far?
No, ma'am.
You wanna?
Ooh, I lost.
Alright, we got a new. That's what it is.
So you guys are measuring the temperature? Okay. So what are the iron fillings doing?
They are. I think Jane wants to tell them.
Okay, so looking at this, you can see how it forms that bridge.
Yeah,
Okay, it's pretty cool, huh?
yeah. It feels weird though. Feels like
All right. Okay.
Honestly, I left it on the desk.
Okay, now I need you guys to keep writing your observations.
Water from the 2 cylinders. One test tube.
Okay.
I
5,
get so much.
4,
Stupid. Get closer. Okay. For a fresher to clean your home.
okay. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch.
I know this is mine.
Make sure you guys stay focused. If you need help, raise your hand.
Wait. There's more.
I want you to grab one. Okay, 1, 2.
Okay, you write this time. Of course, I would be the one to write. You know, I don't want to. Wait, how do I write it? Stop!
Are you looking, Diego?
I'm seeing water pouring into it. Everyone knows who's training, and I miss my boyfriend too, but oh. Yeah, but you get to see your boyfriend daily. he's not in our grade. Oh, yes, he's not grade. How is he suspended? Oh. Clayton, say hi to the camera. Like, Clayton. Clayton.
Yeah, it's dissolving the chalk.
Why? I don't think I did camera.
I hate cameras.
Of course you put camera.
Your camera. I didn't know it was there. I turned it on. I was like, oh.
We were talking about.
We were talking about
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
school year. Remember the Palms Board for 45 days now?
Dad's nice.
You run that school?
I don't think that's back anymore. How is this gonna work?
Don't treat me.
They're still talking to the camera.
I really don't care right now. I'm not talking to the camera. If I was talking to the camera, I would be staring at the dang camera.
That's not what you were gonna say.
No, we're not. We'll do that.
Everybody's telling me A.
That's gold. Yes, that's
I
big.
know what's happening. I got suspended. How would I get?
Yeah, he got suspended. I mean, just for one punch in the face. He could have got suspended. I mean, you're just defending his mom and we're over here talking to the camera again. How would you get expelled? Yeah, but this is
She keeps cutting. 5, 4, 3, 1. Rotate. Rotate.
Kodak Black. Kodak White.
Why do you keep messing with our phone?
Little piece, Taylor, the big shot. Diego did it. Drinking, you won't.
Okay.
Stop, we already have too much water.
No, we don't need that.
Looks like you know.
Okay, stop.
Pop and lock. What is it? Diego's already playing with the next station. Diego's
Okay, Diego.
Zach's like a 3-year-old. Quit freaking.
I didn't even notice the thing was right there.
Okay, put those test tubes back in the rack. Thank you.
Our turn.
Okay. Keep it down, keep it level. Look. You're going to measure it by the meniscus. Okay, so look straight at it. Okay, look straight right here, and you can see the meniscus. And look what's lined with that. Okay.
30 something.
Okay. What is it on?
5.
35. Good.
35. 35.
Okay.
50.
Stop. Okay. Ryan, tell me what's happening.
It died.
The magnet is picking up all the iron.
Okay, by looking at it, are they little grains of iron, or is it already like
There are
big?
Grains.
35.
Little ones, good.
Yeah.
29. Yo! 30. It's 29.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rotate. Okay, I'm gonna help you on that. Put 1 scoop in there. Okay, 1 scoop. Now pour a little bit of vinegar in there.
Ow!
Okay, you see there.
That is a little bit.
So is that exothermic or endothermic?
Exo.
Exothermic, good, because it releases. Okay, good. Okay, stop.
Are you gonna save me some? Freaking Karen just sucks that all. Look at
Okay.
What? Oh, you're supposed to be right here.
You're gonna be look at your sheet, and you can see that you're gonna be just pouring it in there. Okay.
See, this is good water, guys. Why are you scared? What are you doing?
I was pouring and you ate.
Okay, I need it quieter, please.
Okay, that's done.
Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, rotate stops. Where's my pencil?
I'll beat her. There you go. I turned on my paper. Oh, I got your paper. I got another one. That's great. That's great.
Make sure you guys are writing down your reactions. Okay, shh. Okay, then you ask me first. You don't just go do it. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, rotate.
We've already been through all of them.
We have it. What is it? What do we put on this? No, what do we do on the other? It's right here. Pour the water from the graduates and the one tested and what does it work?
Okay, who was at station 7 last?
We were.
That was nuts.
keep on. Hold on to your papers right now. And then we're going to discuss it. Okay? Alright. So sit down when you're done.
Oh my god.
Hey. Don't mess with anything over there.
Blame on camera.
Hey. Hey.
What's the fight? No. I'll fight. What do you want to fight?
Alright.
Show it. The camera.
Alright, can I have everyone's attention, please? I need everyone to listen up.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Okay. So, Station 1. Okay, what did you guys measure? Okay, and what did this group get? Antonio, what did you get? For the amount, the milliliters.
I know what you're talking about.
Okay. Ryan, what did your group get? The milliliters for Station 1. 225 milliliters. All right. Okay. Station 2. Bria, what did your group get?
We got 20 degrees.
20 degrees. Did you measure the beaker, the water? Okay. You guys need to listen to directions. It's on the board, and you guys had a paper. You're supposed to measure it and then do the temperature. Station 3. Who wants to give me the amount of water in for Station 3?
21.
Okay.
Just over 300.
All right, Station 4. Somebody tell me what you guys observed.
Magnets.
Okay.
We'll stick on the
If you
magnet.
had them together, did they still pick up the same amount of magnets?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. For Station 5,
I
you
saw
had
that.
the iron filings. So what did somebody observe about that? Right.
That it like forms a bridge across the little U thing.
Yes. Do you know why?
No. Well, because it's magnet.
Okay. Yes, because of magnets, but this magnet is has a positive pole and a negative pole. It's called north-south magnet. Okay. So if you looked at it, you can see that it has an N and an S. Okay, one side is positive, one side is negative. Those forms will come together. Remember, opposites attract. So the magnetic field, the pulse of it, is trying to connect to the other side. So that's why it forms that bridge. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Everyone? All right. So Station 6. A lot of you like this one and tried to make it big.
Blame.
Okay. So we had the vinegar and the baking soda. What did you guys observe? It foamed up, it bubbled up. Is that an endothermic or exothermic? Exothermic.
Can we make it big? Like really big?
Like make it explode.
Alright, station number 7. Okay, we had the chalk and vinegar. How many of you didn't think it was going to react that way? Okay, it started dissolving the chalk, and then it went into like mush. Station 8, somebody tell me one of the measurements they took.
30, 35.
35 and 30.
Okay, Station 9, all you're supposed to do was pour
What?
this water into a test tube. Okay, carefully. From looking at this table, it does not look like you guys were careful. careful. Okay? So if that was acid, it would have been bad.
Yeah, if it was acid, it'd be melting.